Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes with TikTok. So if you want to add a friend or a page or a TikTok or whatever via a QR code and you have only that available to you, you want to open up your camera but you cannot find it to where it is, right? Well, don't worry, I'm here to show it for you. So open up your TikTok and then you need to head over to your profile right down here. Then click on the Add Friends list on the top left. And here you have a little square with a little line running across it. If you click this, you will get the QR scanner. So your QR code is basically this one, displayed here. But if you want to scan anybody else's, you can just open up this app and scan any QR code you want. If you want to scan it from your album, meaning from picture you took, you just click this and select that. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.